Welcome back. Today we are tackling a fascinating string manipulation problem often seen in technical interviews: finding the longest word in dictionary that can be built one character at a time. This is commonly known as LeetCode problem 720. Here is the challenge. You are given a list of strings called words. Your task is to find the longest word in this list that can be constructed one letter at a time by other words also present in the list. For example, if you want to build the word world, the dictionary must also contain w, wo, were, and whirl. Let's visualize this to make it crystal clear. Look at the word apple. For apple to be a valid answer, the dictionary must contain a p, a pp, and a ppl. If any of these intermediate prefixes are missing, like in the banana example where the single letter B is missing, then banana cannot be built according to the rules. The core logic relies on prefixes. To form a valid word of length n, we must verify that its prefix of length n-1 already exists in our valid set. This creates a recursive dependency chain. Word depends on were, which depends on wo, which depends on w. If the chain is broken at any point, the final word is invalid. Our first approach is intuitive and efficient. We start by sorting the dictionary alphabetically. This is a crucial step because it ensures that shorter words appear before longer words that share the same prefix. We then iterate through the sorted list and use a hash set to store valid words we have successfully built so far. Here is how the data transforms. Initially, the array is unsorted. After sorting, W comes before wo, which comes before were. As we iterate, we check if the current word's prefix exists in our valid set. Since W has a length of 1, it's a valid starting point. Wo needs W, which we just added. We keep building up our valid set and tracking the longest word found. Now for the more advanced approach, the trie or prefix tree. This data structure is specifically designed for string problems involving prefixes. It allows us to store the dictionary efficiently, where shared prefixes like W and O are stored as common nodes, saving space and speeding up lookups. To solve this using a trie, we first insert all the words from our list into the tree, marking the nodes that represent the end of a word. Then, we perform a depth-first search traversal starting from the root. The key rule here is that we only traverse to child nodes that are marked as an end of word. The deeper we go, the longer our valid word becomes. Let's compare the two methods. The sorting and set approach has a time complexity of O of n log n times L due to the sorting step, where n is the number of words and L is the maximum word length. The trie approach is generally O of the sum of all word lengths for both time and space. Both are efficient, but the trie is often preferred for its theoretical elegance in string problems. To wrap up, remember that this problem is all about validating prefixes. Sorting allows for a simple iterative solution using a set. However, understanding the trie data structure is incredibly valuable for mastering string manipulation questions. Also, don't forget the edge case. If two valid words have the same length, return the one that is lexicographically smaller.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.